Today is September 15th, 2021, the very first International Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness Day. Welcome to a celebration of community, care, and a cure. A few months ago, this was only an idea on paper. I was talking with my predecessor, Molly White, about what MDF had done in the past, what advocacy steps had been taken, and who had been involved around the world. It became very clear that there was an opportunity for an entire DM-focused global alliance to work on efforts much greater than local levels. We wanted to go for regional, national, and international impact. It was an opportunity to unite all of our DM ecosystem, not just patient advocacy organizations like MDF, but to bring life to this idea so we could learn from each other, collaborate in ways we might not have ever imagined. So I started making calls with my colleagues around the world, and in February, in honor of Rare Disease Day 2021, a global alliance of myotonic dystrophy-focused organizations united for the first time to declare September 15th International Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness Day. We're doing this so that no one feels hopeless or powerless because of DM. No one experiences pain, loneliness due to DM. They're not angry that their genes, their body, their mind have betrayed them, or that they carry the guilt, that they unknowingly passed on the disease to their children. We want to be sure that no caregiver feels the extraordinary weight of caring for people that they love, who don't have access to treatment that'll help them feel better. We're doing this so that no one will be told by their insurance company that they won't cover a medication because it's not approved or because there's just not enough research. We're doing this so we won't be told by employers, you don't look sick, so you don't need accommodation, you don't need your schedule changed. We're doing this to raise awareness so that parents will not be judged by others who think that they are enabling lazy children who are really just tired all the time, because we know that this disease looks different in everyone. The symptoms are different even within the same family. And of course, we know that those parents in particular have done more to support the health and growth of their children than almost anyone could ever imagine. So this global effort is positioned to help change all of that, and we invite you to join us. By declaring September 15th International DM Awareness Day, the attention gathered and awareness we raise together will serve to improve quality of life, the availability of essential resources, access to appropriate healthcare, and hopefully decrease time to diagnosis. We're working to increase funding for and a focus on DM research and researchers, and ultimately accelerate the timeline for available treatments and a cure. Even though it's the most variable disease in medicine, myotonic dystrophy is often invisible. By raising awareness about this disease among our friends, neighbors, community, the government, our very own employers, all of the systems in which we work, live, and play, we are going to change what it means to live with myotonic dystrophy.
Hi, I'm Peter Ashley from CureDM UK Myotonic Dystrophy Charity. On September the 15th, we'll be lighting up at least 22 landmark buildings, major bridges and historic monuments, including Blackpool Tower, Enniskillen Castle and the award-winning Mersey Gateway Bridge. We support people with DM, their families and carers in the UK. Right now, our own son Dragan is in hospital and we are struggling to get the help he needs because the clinicians do not understand myotonic dystrophy. This is why the Awareness Day is so important. The publicity that goes with each of these monuments will reach many people. To us, if this makes just one doctor recognise the condition in a patient, it's well worth doing. Thank you so much to everyone in the Global Alliance. Let's grow Awareness Day around the world each year on September the 15th.
I am Kelly Wright with the patient advocacy team at Harmony Biosciences. Harmony is thrilled to engage with the community through our recently opened trial looking at excessive daytime sleepiness in adult patients with type 1 myotonic dystrophy. Harmony Biosciences is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness.
Hello, I am Jim Hilbert from the University of Rochester in New York State. DM Awareness Day is important to me to highlight the kindness and willingness of people with DM to volunteer for clinical studies and registries around the world. It also highlights the need to better study the broad range of symptoms people and families with DM endure, from mild to severe. Many people tell me that they volunteer for research, if not for themselves, but to ultimately help the next generation, whether it be their children or strangers with DM. The world sure needs to shine a light more on that empathy and care for others, especially for today. Thank you for your support to help strive for more understanding of and better treatments for people with DM.
Hello, I am Midori Seno from DM family, helping people living with myotonic dystrophy in Japan. On September 12th, we will host a webinar with Asia's Pharma about what is needed for developing a new drug for rare disease. This is significant because patient involvement is the most important in developing a cure of myotonic dystrophy. Myotonic dystrophy awareness will lead to happiness for patients and their families, caregivers, doctors, researchers, and medical industry. DM family proud to be a member of Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness. Together, we can change the future of this disease. 皆さんこんにちは。DM ファミリーの瀬野みどりと申します。2021年9月12日、私たちの会ではウェビナー、希少疾患・難病の新薬開発を進めるためにを開催し、アステラス製薬株式会社の皆様からご講演をいただくことになっております。新薬開発を進めるために最も重要なことは、患者さんご自身の積極的な研究参加であることが示されます。筋強直性ジストロフィーの啓発は、患者さんとご家族、ケアを担う皆様、お医者様、研究者の皆様、そして製薬業界の皆様の幸せにつながることでしょう。DM ファミリーは、国際筋強直性ジストロフィー啓発の日を制定し、活動できることを誇らしく思います。共に、筋強直性ジストロフィーの未来を変えていきましょう。
I'm Sarah Boyce, CEO of Avidity Biosciences, based here in La Jolla, California, in the United States. Avidity Biosciences recently received clearance from the FDA to proceed with the Phase 1-2 study MARINA, which is a trial of AOC1001 in adults with myotonic dystrophy. We're really excited about this news. It brings us one step closer to achieving our mission of helping to improve the lives of individuals and their families impacted by myotonic dystrophy. Raising awareness of myotonic dystrophy will help accelerate the drug development process by promoting understanding and support for the community across a broad range of people, policymakers, regulators, research and healthcare professionals around the world, all of whom play a critical role in advancing care for this community. Avidity is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness. Together, we can change the future of this disease.
Muscular Dystrophy Australia is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness. This September 15th, we celebrate International DM Awareness Day and will continue our efforts to support people living with myotonic dystrophy and their families. Together, we can change the future of this disease.
I am Ruben Artero at the University of Valencia, helping people living with myotonic dystrophy in Spain. The University of Valencia will create and publish a short informational video on our approach to myotonic dystrophy to share on our website and social media. This is significant because it explains how we are translating research from the bench to the bedside. Myotonic dystrophy awareness will lead to more treatments being developed similarly. The University of Valencia is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness. Together, we can change the future of myotonic dystrophy. Juntos podemos cambiar el futuro de la distrofia miotónica.
Lee Berglund, director of the RNA Institute, where we are helping people living with myotonic dystrophy across New York State and the world. My research involves understanding how the disease develops and how we can use that understanding to develop effective small molecule therapeutics. The RNA Institute is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness. Together, we can change the future of this disease.
I'm Alyssa Peters at Avidity Biosciences in California of the United States, helping people living with myotonic dystrophy. Avidity is a biotech committed to improving the lives of people impacted by diseases, including myotonic dystrophy, through the development of new drugs. Avidity is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness. Together, we can change the future of this disease.
Hello, I am Naoko Fisher at DM Family, helping people living with myotonic dystrophy in Japan. My daughter is a patient of congenital myotonic dystrophy. Also, I am a patient. I love to encourage other patients as a friend. DM Family is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness. Together, we can change the future of this disease. 私は日本の患者会 DM ファミリーのフィッシャー直子です。私は先天性筋強直性ジストロフィーの患者の娘を持っていまして、私自身も DM の患者です。私は友人として他の患者さんを勇気づけたいと思っています。DM ファミリーは国際筋強直性ジストロフィー啓発の日の活動に参加していきます。みんなで筋強直性ジストロフィーの未来を変えていきましょう。
Hi, I'm Kirsten from MD Nederland, helping people with myotonic dystrophy in the Netherlands. On September 15th, we'll encourage our community to post a picture of themselves on social media, recreating an old picture of a family member, illustrating MD is an inherited disease. This is important because MD is still too much unknown and affects whole families. More awareness for myotonic dystrophy will lead to earlier diagnosis, more money for research, and a cure. MD Nederland is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness. Together, we can change the future of this disease. Samen kunnen we de toekomst van MD veranderen.
Together we can change the future of people with myotonic dystrophy, yes. And communicating is so important with each other. So communication is important. Whichever way we do it, it's supporting one another. Yes. Thank you.
I'm Anne Adey with the Clinical Operations team at Harmony Biosciences. Harmony is excited to engage with the community through our recently opened trial looking at excessive daytime sleepiness in adult patients with type 1 myotonic dystrophy. Harmony Biosciences is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness.
I'm Akane Hatano at the DM family, helping people living with myotonic dystrophy in Japan. DM family is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy awareness. Together, we can change the future of the disease. こんにちは。私は日本の患者会 DM ファミリーの畑野茜です。私はこの会の理事長をしていますが、1型の患者でもあります。しかし、患者会で同じ病気の人たちのために活動しています。私たち DM ファミリーは、国際筋強側性ディストロフィー啓発の日の国際連携に参加し、活動していきます。みんなで筋強直性ディストロフィーの未来を変えていきましょう。
Hello, I am Yuji Akechi at the DM family helping people living with myotonic dystrophy in Japan. I and my brother have DM type 1. I work as a medical doctor at the Department of Neurology. DM family is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness. Together, we can change the future of this disease. こんにちは。私は日本の患者会 DM ファミリーの明智裕二です。私と私の弟は患者です。また私は神経内科で医師として働いています。DM ファミリーは国際筋強直性啓発の日に参加し活動していきます。みんなで筋強直性ジストロフィーの未来を変えていきましょ
う。Hello, I'm Minako Sato at DM family.Helping people living with myotonic dystrophy in Japan. I hope patients enjoy their life filled with smile and happiness. DM family is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness. Together, we can change the future of this disease. こんにちは。私は日本の患者会 DM ファミリーの佐藤美奈子です。私は患者さんたちの人生が笑顔と幸せに満たされることを願っています。DM ファミリーは国際筋強直性ディストロフィー啓発の日に参加し、活動していきます。みんなで筋強直性ディストロフィーの未来を変えていきましょう。
Hello, I am Yuya Tsuchida. I have DM1. I'm at DM family, helping people living with myotonic dystrophy in Japan. I hope patients enjoy their life filled with smile and happiness.DM family is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness. Together, we can change the future of this disease. こんにちは。私は日本の患者会 DM ファミリーの土田裕也と言います。DM1 の患者です。私は患者さんが笑顔と幸せで満ちた人生をエンジョイできるように願っています。DM ファミリーは国際筋強直性ジストロフィー啓発の日に参加し、活動していきます。みんなで筋強直性ジストロフィーの未来を変えましょう。
Hello, I am Ogawa Kosuke at DM Family helping people live with myotonic dystrophy in Japan.And I live with my wife who is a patient of this disease. DM family is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness. Together, we can change this future of this disease. Thank you. こんにちは。私は日本の患者会 DM ファミリーの小川康介です。この病気の患者である妻と2人で暮らしており、患者会では同じ病気の人たちのために活動しております。 DM ファミリーは国際筋強直性ジストロフィー啓発の日に参加し活動していきます。みんなで筋強直性ジストロフィーの未来を変えていきましょう。ありがとうございました。
Hello, I am Kunya Kiseno at DM Family, helping people living with myotonic dystrophy in Japan. I am graphic designer. DM Family is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness. Together, we can change the future of this disease. 皆さん、こんにちは。私は日本の患者会の DM ファミリー、瀬野邦明です。私の妹が患者でこの患者会の理事長をやっています。私はグラフィックデザイナーとして患者会で同じ病気の人のために活動しています。DM ファミリーは国際緊張性ディストロフィー啓発の日の国際連携に参加し活動していきます。みんなで筋強直ディストロフィーの未来を変えていきましょう。
I am Noriko Oyoshi at DM Family, helping people living with myotonic dystrophy in Japan. My sister is a patient with myotonic dystrophy. DM Family is proud to be a member of the Global Alliance for Myotonic Dystrophy Awareness. Together, we can change the future of the disease. 私は日本の患者会 DM ファミリーの大吉典子です。患者会で同じ病気の人のために活動しています。私の妹がこの病気の患者です。DM ファミリーは国際筋強直性ジストロフィー啓発の日に参加し活動していきます。みんなで筋強直性ジストロフィーの未来を変えていきましょう。